Hey guys, welcome back to JK Future Tech. Today I'm sharing the top 5 AI tool every student in the USA should use in 2026. These tools are either free or very affordable, and they can make studying and assignment way easier. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a perfect assess, brainstorming ideas and even solving trick problems. It's free to use for basic tasks, and a premium plan unlock more future. Students love it for saving the time on homework. Tool number 2, Grammarly. Grammarly helps you write perfect essays and the email it check grammar, spelling and style. The free version is powerful and the premium version gives advanced suggestions. Tool number 3, Notion AI. Notion AI organizes your notes, projects, and tasks. Student can create study plans, manage assignment, and collaborate with classmates. Free plan is enough for most students. Tool number 4, Quizlet AI. Quizlet AI creates smart flashcard for exams and quizzes. It predicts which you need to study and track progress. Great for memorization and exam prep. Tool number 5, Canva AI. Canva AI helps you make professional presentation, poster and graphics for school projects. Free and low cost plan make it accessible for all students. So guys, these were the top 5 AI tool every USA student should try. Comment below which one is your favorite and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AI and tech tips. See you in the next video.